How to buy a domain name on Hostinger complete guide. Welcome to this tutorial on buying a domain name on Hostinger, a popular web hosting service. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of registering a domain name on Hostinger so you can get started with your online presence. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Hostinger account at hostinger.com. Once you're logged in, click on the Domains tab in the top navigation menu. From there, click on Register a Domain to start the registration process. You'll be presented with a few options for domain name registration. You can choose from a variety of top-level domains, such as .com, .net, or .io. Select the one that best suits your needs and enter your desired domain name. Make sure to check if the domain name is available by searching for it in the search bar. Next, you'll need to enter your contact information, including your name, email address, and phone number. This information will be used to verify your identity and send you important notifications about your domain registration. Once you've entered your contact information, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then be presented with a payment page where you can choose from various payment options, including credit cards and PayPal. After completing the payment process, your domain name will be registered, and you'll receive an email with your domain registration details. You can then set up your domain name to point to your website or other online services. That's it. With this complete guide, you should now be able to buy a domain name on Hostinger with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on web hosting and online marketing.